Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris, and today we have some incredibly exciting LEGO 2023 breaking news. So officially this is just a rumor, nothing is confirmed, but since it is just a text-based rumor and not an image-based one, I can still share it despite being part of the LAN. So overall, over the past couple of months, there have been a lot of rumors swirling about the new LEGO Lord of the Rings theme making a resurgence in 2023. Now we do know we're going to get, or at least we know that we are rumored to get a few brickheads coming from Gandalf to members of the Fellowship, but there has been some rumors swirling about a $500 direct-to-consumer set that we just really haven't been able to figure out what exactly that is. Initially, there were some rumors saying that it was going to be an Icons collection similar to the Harry Potter one, which would have been neat, I will say, it would have been interesting to see, but for $500, a lot of Lord of the Rings fans were hoping for something a little bit more. Well, thankfully, the initial rumor about it being an Icons collection has been debunked, and right now we have pretty much confirmed, it's all but confirmed, it is a rumor, but it is heavily rumored that we will be getting a $500 Rivendell set for Lord of the Rings next year in 2023. Now, this is incredibly exciting because the last Rivendell set we actually got was a pretty small build. It really only just had a few small things and details to it, although it did come with the Elrond figure and some Arwen figures as well, so some nice figurines were included, but for the most part it was a very small sample of the elves' awesome large village. But now for $500 we are apparently getting this massive UCS style playset of the elves kind of hideout in their particular world and their city, which I think will be such a cool set at such a large price point. And now if the recent Hogwarts Express is anything to go off of, I would expect to see a ton of exclusive minifigures to that set. Now, obviously, we haven't gotten Lord of the Rings or Hobbit sets since the 2013-2014 era, where you can see all the figures here, but I would have to imagine they would be redesigning and giving us new versions of, hopefully, the full Fellowship, as well as most likely a lot of the cast of elves as well. What would be really cool is if we got an old Bilbo minifigure, which we never actually got before in LEGO form. That would be the perfect time to give us maybe a face that could be double-sided, one of kind of a happy face, and one of the face that he makes when he's trying to get the ring back from Frodo. I think that would be a really cool and entertaining figure to get for this $500 Rivendell set. And yeah, this is just so exciting. Obviously, none of this is confirmed, but a lot of the reliable leakers have reported on it, making it all but confirmed. I, for one, am incredibly excited to see photos, and even if this turns out to be fake, it seems that the Lord of the Rings direct-to-consumer set is definitely coming March 1st, 2023. So even if it's not Rivendell, it's probably going to be something really good. That about sums up this news video. Really nothing else I can say in terms of the details of the set. All we know is the set number and the price, as well as the release date, March 1st, 2023. So I guess I'll see you then. This is super exciting news, and here's to LEGO Lord of the Rings making a triumphant return next year in 2023. Thanks so much for tuning into Duckbricks. Be sure to stay tuned for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very soon. Thanks so much, and bye for now.